I would like to inform all of you that Sir Ajit Prabhakar is joining us virtually right now.
Hi guys, so I am glad to join in this session. So with no longer delay, let me just start with my presentation. So I'm going to explain you about what are all the new features that are more available in AutoCAD latest version, that is AutoCAD Specialized Toolset. With the safe harbor slide which we start, this slide and the commands are been more created for you guys and to explain in detail about the features. So speaking of AutoCAD, we all know that AutoCAD been in the market for the decades and it has been adopted by millions of the users. So no longer delay, it has been covered most of the engineering and non-engineering sectors, including most of the covering worldwide. In the current version of AutoCAD, we do have certain specific features and more updates related to the AutoCAD products. Yes. So in the version of AutoCAD 2022, we have a specific feature that will help you to showcase you more about the industry specific tool sets, and also it is more also capable you to work with not only with a design system but also an advanced feature to help you to work with mobile and also with a browser without installing your software. We are just categorizing the utilities of AutoCAD into three main categories, starting with CAD automation, seamless connection, and continuous innovation. In CAD automation, we'll be explaining about the 7 specific tool sets in a go, which can gain you around 63% of your overall productivity. All these are coming in a single couple of bundle software in a single platform of AutoCAD. Starting with the key benefits, which I love the most to explain, because when we have the benefits, we have the software of AutoCAD here. And the most specific feature of the AutoCAD is that it is much more intelligent. It is capable of showcasing more amount of library content, especially made for you guys, the great architectures, and to design more intelligent, and it gets your work much more automated. It helps you to create your 3D model. It helps you to generate your schedules and much more. And it makes you faster because it has been in the market for the decades, as I said before, and as it is in the market, it is helping you guys to get more.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Sir, can you just hold for 1 minute? We are trying
Yes.
to set up the projector. Just a minute, sir. Sorry.
Sure.
Wait
Okay.
a minute, sir.
Yeah.
सुमेश, इसको क्या करो? इसको सेट करो ना. ये उसका केबल लाओ. इधर से होगा क्या? उसमें जूम स्टार्ट कर दो. स्क्रीन शेयर करो. हाँ हाँ हाँ. इसको स्क्रीन पे ले लो ना खाली. Yes, sir, please. Thank you.
Yeah. So I was saying, I believe my voice is clear. I don't have control over the audio. So is my voice clear, sir? I'll just make a note of that.
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah, thank you. So as I said before, AutoCAD gives you a lot of key benefits, but in this particular specialized tool set of AutoCAD, we are having the following benefits that will help you on showcasing and giving giving you more time to generate and more time to work on your own projects. The speaking of intelligent, it has much more intelligent key features of library contents which are being especially made for you guys, the field of architecture, and more objects and styles relevant to your own field, and creating much more automations in your field, like generating your bill of materials, generating your schematics, or generating your schedules, etc., generating automatic ballooning features, etc., much more features, and it helps you to do your work much more faster. As you are aware that AutoCAD has been in the market for the decades, and the commands and the features are being common to understand for each and every users. It helps you guys to make your design much more faster and more trusted platform of AutoCAD here. Here, our software is no longer an serial based software. It is more trusted with an online platform of giving you access over your own mail ID and your own protected password, so you can have control over your own software. So let me showcase you some of the topics of 7 specific tool sets, starting with architectural tool set here, which gains you an overall productivity around 61%.
I would like to welcome Mr. Vipul.
Yeah. So this gives you an overall productivity to around 61% by giving access to around 8,000 intelligent architectural objects and symbols and styles. So I am aware that most of the symbols and the library contents you do have in your own library contents, but we are still providing you with the data which are much more interactive with your objects and with your designs. Creating more floor plans is an tedious process for you, so no longer delay for you. You have in architectural toolset here. It helps you to generate your floor plans with an automated elevation sections and much more. So let me take you through some of the few common commands that are being done by you in a regular day basis in an architectural designs. So by inserting a window, you do follow these following commands, like of 6 simple clicks. But when you have an architectural toolset in your design team, you do have to follow 3 simple steps. So this helps you to reduce your time to around 3 steps of increasing your time to a real value. Simple as lengthening a wall, of drawing a line, or stretching it to an point and adding the material to it. Whatever steps you do follow, we do provide you and simple easy steps of creating a wall or lengthening a wall, whatever you do. Next is tagging the model elements. You do have, again, you have to create a wall, or you see, you are creating certain steps of your regular data, but when you have an architectural toolset in your team, that helps you to complete your work much more faster and much more easier to get your real value on time. So this is an productivity study that has been compared with an AutoCAD to an AutoCAD toolset here. So we are able to complete our similar project in both the software at a time to increase to your productivity around 60% in your architectural toolset. So some of the key benefits we have explained, and some of the productivity studies have explained also. So some of the tool sets that save time, yes, I do want to save time in your design. So some plans are like creating your floor plans, creating your elevation plans, creating your building section plans. So there are n number of productivities and increasing abilities in your project to showcase, and you do have control over your project using your project database. Next in our line is the MEP toolset. We all know MEP stands for mechanical, electrical, plumbing. Here in this process, you are getting an productivity time to be increased around 85%. So you can access around 10,000 plus components more specific for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, which can be used in the terms of architecture also. This is more relevant for HVAC and architectural designers to make use of. So I'll just take you to some of the detailed steps of MEP that helps you to design, draft, and also document. As MEP do follow some standards relevant to BIS, and also much more standards, and creating annotations are made much more easier by creating labels or generating text dimensions, or all the process are being made automated, and you can create tags or schedules, creating your models in a 3D model with relevant to the architectural designs, and much more that you can also tag in creating your architectural design, and parallelly you can also work with MEP without any software to interpolate with the transformation of your design. Make sure you're creating your interference detection that is more relevant for MEP industry, where ducts are being intercollided. You can check with an software here. There is no limit there. You can control your designs with an option of X reference and much more. Speaking of piping in terms of MEP is also much more easier. You can able to create a routing process more specific for a particular piping part, or inserting in a layout, or it can also have n number of couplings and inserting proper pipelines, and routing preference are also available in the part of piping in MEP. Electrical part, you can build your own circuit. You can create your circuits such as powering, lightning of your own buildings, and add lightning effects of your control over your buildings. You can make use of MEP lightning feature in terms of electrical in the MEP. Mechanical part, here you will be able to configure your duct system working with reference of your referral drawings, using specific load analysis, calculating the duct size and optimizing the duct size are also possible in mechanical system of MEP. So as we just saw some of the major benefits of architecture and MEP, I would like to showcase you and run through some of the tool sets that are also available in a single purchase. That is, starting with the mechanical tool set, you can access around 7 lakh intelligent components of mechanical parts that can increase your productivity around 55%. Electrical toolset for generating the entire panel building or panel development or panel drawing designers. If you do have some projects related to electrical, you have a tool in your hand that can also work in architecture, MEP and electrical in a single platform. Map 3D toolset, more relevant for mining industries or topology studies. So this particular toolset has a major connection over ArcGIS software, where you can incorporate the GIS data into CAD files, and also accessing the spatial data that are stored in files without any data loss. So this gives your overall productivity time to be increased around 60%. Plan 3D, yes, this is an overall different vertical, but still you will be able to generate your paint IDs and also 3D models in a single platform. Raster design, I would like to spend some time on this, because this is also used by the architectural designers, because you are still converting your PDF documents into drawing files. Please make sure you are having your raster designs on your tool, because raster design can help you to increase your productivity around 48%. We are not this can able to give you an overall conversion from scanned images into drawing files. So your your cleaning, transformation and much more are being taken by the software. You get a clear cut design of vector designs of your full entire drawing without any data loss. So that is all about the 7 tool sets. I would like to showcase some of the features of seamless connections. We know you are about to see 4 different systems that are being displaying single drawing. So this is how we want to showcase you AutoCAD on any devices. We can make sure that you are able to work on a desktop, parallelly on a web, and also in a mobile. So you don't want to have an access to different systems. Instead, you on a single purchase, you will be able to work on a platform of desktop, web and also in a browser. So how do you access your browser applications? So to access your browser applications, we are providing you with an mail ID and a password that can help you to sign in into web.autocad.com, where you will be able to edit, create new drawing and also annotate on your current drawing that has been saved in the clouds. So now you don't have to worry on traveling while taking your printed documents. Instead, you can just take your own full set of laptop in your hand, which is much more advanced right now. You can just go on to your sites. If there is any correction to your layouts, please don't worry. Just open your laptop, sign into web.autocad.com. You can able to find all the drawings that have been saved in the cloud and much more. You can also create new drawings on the platform that will be shared to your design team without any time delay. Still, if you are not carrying your laptops, please don't say you won't carry your mobile phones, because you do have your technology in your pocket. So this technology of your mobile phones, you can install your applications of from your both Mac and for the Windows users or Android users. You, by installing the app of AutoCAD mobile application, you can again create and edit the current drawing or also new drawings without any time delay. This also gets an connection with your design team without any time delay. So this is what we want to explain. So in the later versions of AutoCAD were able to share the cloud storages with the following clouds: Box, Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox. But right now, AutoCAD provides you with the various sharing or file storing devices such as Autodesk Docs and Autodesk Drive. So if you're not having access to any of those clouds, still no worries. You can save your drawings and your files in Autodesk Docs and Autodesk Drive. So on a keynote, we want to mention that you can work anytime, anywhere on your own devices. We help you on working with and mobility with a collaboration with within your team, or also with your on-site team, whoever who's having your access, and also giving connections without any time delay with an essential tool we name as AutoCAD Specialized Toolset. So I was able to explain you about CAD automation, seamless connection. Let me just showcase you about continuous innovation. In this process of continuous innovation, as on when the AutoCAD has been elaborating or it has been expanding, it is making sure customers are getting satisfied with the various updates. So in this year of AutoCAD 2022, it has provided you with an option of trace command that helps you to streamline your review process. So you don't have to safeguard, or you don't have to rename your current drawings. Instead, you can make use of this application that has been option that has been available in desktop, web application, and also in mobile application, that helps you to get your feedbacks on your drawing without any damage to your current drawings. Sharing your files, when you share your particular drawing files on any third-party software, you do have limitations of sharing your file size. But in this particular option of AutoCAD sharing command, that helps you to securely send your drawings with a control over your drawings. So you have limitations over your drawings, that your customer or your receiver have an access to drawing to only view, or they can edit the current drawing or save the drawing in the link that has been provided by the AutoCAD. So you can just share the link that has been provided, and you can also make a note that the drawing will be saved in that link for 7 days. Count command, this command that helps you to help you the count of the blocks that are being saved. As a design engineer using AutoCAD for more than 5 years, I was able to make use of the blocks that are in the designs. So, and also we know AutoCAD is being popular for also creating the blocks, and for counting blocks it still take time. But in this process of counting blocks, it helps me to generate the list of blocks in a dynamic table. It helps me to reduce the time of counting the blocks without any time delay. Push to Autodesk Docs, as I said before, you can share your drawings into the Autodesk Drive that has been available for you to save. You can access the same drives in your browsers anywhere, anytime, without any time delay with the use of internet. So it also helps you to improve your efficiency. Floating window. Now AutoCAD is not only increasing its surroundings, but also it is also making sure you're working with multiple projects. So this floating window helps you to work on multiple windows of your own screen of single projects and also multiple projects without any time delay. So this helps you to view and edit multiple drawings at a single time. So enhancements are not only for the following the commands that are being explained, but also while installing, and also there are n number of enhancements in the graphic improvements. Right now we do have a redesigned start tab that is more enhancement, that in a single window you'll be able to view what are all the live updates and what are all the multiple features that you have in your own softwares. So that is it. On a keynote, I do want to make sure you are also using the software of purchased one, and that is more easy of completing your designs without any time delay. So we are open to questions. So if you have any questions, you can also share your questions. I'll be online.